In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit a timesheet in BambooHR. Now to do this, first you're going to have to enable the add-on, which is called Time and Attendance. So to do this, you could go to over here top right where you can see your settings. You want to click on your settings, and then from here, automatically you'll be able to see under your account here, if you scroll down, it's going to allow you to basically click on Learn More next to Time and Attendance over here. And when you click on Learn More, you can go and read about it, and then click on Enable Time and Attendance, and that's going to enable it for you. If you don't see this for some reason, you could also scroll down here on the left and click on Time and Attendance, and then from here there's going to be an Enable button, so it should appear over here in the top right in a few seconds when this loads. There we go. As you can see, for me it doesn't because I've of course enabled this already, but there's going to be a button which is going to be pretty apparent telling you can essentially enable this feature. Now whenever you've done this, if you want to edit a timesheet, you then want to go to My Info over here in the top left. And then when you do this, you'll see your timesheet in here on your profile. So there we go. Here's my profile, and you can see the timesheet is over here. If it's not showing for you, you may want to click on More, and it should be in here at the very least, okay? Now click on your timesheet, and then from here, from this menu, you'll be able to edit your timesheet in BambooHR. So over here, as you can see, I have it for specific days, and I can go and click on Add Time Entry, and over here, I can then put in the hours and click on Save, and there we go. It's going to add them in here wherever I do this. And if you want to edit a specific entry, what you have to do is click on it, a specific day. It's going to kind of extend down like this, and then you have to click on a specific entry or this pencil icon, and it's going to open over here. You can then go and change it, click on Save, and it's going to edit that specific timesheet entry, okay? So that's really how to do it, and of course you can then go and kind of track this top right over here where you can go and filter by different things. You can go and show weekends, daily graph, or pay period total or not if you wanna, and then here you have the history and the option to download a PDF as well. So that's how to edit a timesheet. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.